Hi guys, welcome to this video, and in this video I will show you all these products that I will only have if I am not a beauty influencer. Now these are actually my favorite products of my vanity, and if you are not a beauty content creator like me, then you actually don't need more products than this. Now the next part of this video will be on voiceover because I have to shoot a lot of videos today, so I need to finish this video quickly. So without any further ado, let's do the makeup with these products. Now due to summer heat or any food allergy, I am not very sure, I currently have a lot of rashes on my whole face and neck. Hence I have applied a lot of antiseptic cream today, but I like this Brush Beauty Skin Blur Primer to prep my skin before makeup. I am a dry skin person. This primer makes skin really soft but does not blur any imperfection that much. For that I trust different primers. First of all, a silicone primer is must, especially for fine lines or rough lines, so that foundation does not settle there. Besides this, pore filling primers are also great as they give very smooth base to work with. For drugstore based makeup, good primer is must. Then it comes to skin tint and foundation with good shade match. Now for skin tint, as the coverage is low, if the shade is not a perfect match, still it works great, but for foundation a good shade match is must. Now if sometime I don't have a perfect match from any foundation range, then I always pick up the deeper one. In drugstore, the finish of the L'Oreal Infallible is best, but K-Beauty is my perfect shade match. Next is surely the concealer. I prefer lightweight medium coverage concealer. Mostly we need two concealers. One is good shade match and the other one is 1 or 2 shade lighter to have some brightening effect. If you have a lot of skin concern and want to cover it, then surely go for the high coverage concealers like Maybelline Age Rewind. Then is the time for brows, and I prefer brow pomade when I am doing a full face of makeup, as brow pomade not only fill the sparse areas of brows but also it sets the brow at its place. Next is cream contour product, and for that I prefer stick foundation as it is easier to place the product at the right places of face using those sticks. Placement of contour completely depends on the individual facial features. I prefer cool tone color for my contour. Next is a setting powder. I will suggest to have two setting powders, one with high coverage for your full face makeup and one with light formula to have a very light touch up for your no makeup look. Next is a contour palette with powder product to set the outward part of the face and also to add a little more definition by adding more contour or bronzing if needed. I prefer contour palette that has a light shade, as if sometime I want to reduce my contour, I can use that light shade for that. Next is the eye makeup, and it depends completely on one person's own makeup taste that which kind of eye palette that person should have. Now a brown tone eye palette is a must one to have those no makeup kind of look. Beside this, a palette with some colorful shadow also is a good addition. Now I prefer a little bit dark tone shadows on my eyes. Beside this, I prefer to collect any eye palette which has very unique color story. I like this by size ELF palettes a lot and I have all of them, but these 4 are my favorite as their color stories are really different and I like that a lot. Beside this eyeshadow palette, a glitter shadow palette with glitter glue is good option to have. Beside this, a black eyeliner that has very sturdy wand, a black soft kohl that smudges easily to have black base for the smoky eye look, a quick settle non-smudge black or brown kohl pencil, and also a skin color or white kohl pencil are must have ones. Now, I prefer skin color over the white kohl pencil as it gives natural finish. For mascara, 2 mascaras, one with natural finish and one with dramatic finish are great to have along with the lash color. Now I'm not a false eyelash person, but if it is your thing, then definitely false eyelashes with lash glue you need to collect for your vanity. Now I am a blush person, so for me it is not possible to settle for just 1 or 2 blushes, so I am showing you here all the drugstore powder blushes that are my favorites. Now I prefer matte powder blushes and don't use cream blushes that much. I have few cream blushes in my vanity, but I hardly reach for them. Now for lip products, I think no one of us can settle for 1 or 2 lip products. I I prefer matte lipsticks, and this Maybelline one is my most used lipstick of my vanity. I don't purchase a tons of lip oil or lip glosses, and if sometime I want to have some shine on my lips, which I rarely do, I apply transparent lip gloss over my lipstick. Finally, one good champagne shade highlighter can do the job for all our makeup look. And last but not the least, a setting spray is must to set all our hard works. Oh, I forgot to mention about the contact lenses. Now, I am a lens person. I just love to have contact lenses on my eyes. Now, in my last MAC lipstick search video, I have wear this makeup look. So this is the look that I have created today, and if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye.